Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
Hello, it's your girl candysenette, and I'm back today with a new video. If you're new to my channel and good old Texas fashion, hey y'all, and if you've been here before, welcome back, and next time bring a friend. Okay, over here we do fashion hauls, styling videos, and just content for the girls. Okay, so if that's something you're interested in, definitely click that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video, and hit that subscribe button. Okay, we're growing over here, so let's grow and show together. If you are a girly who likes to shop like me, definitely go ahead and scan my QR code so that you can see all the things that I'm shopping for on Like to Know It. And if you are watching from a TV screen, you can definitely click that QR code from your phone. If not, definitely click that link down below so you can get linked to Like to Know It, and follow me over there as well as subscribe over here. Y'all got that? All right. So today I have the pleasure of partnering with a company that I love. Okay, we have partnered on several campaigns with together, and I am so excited to partner with them on their Black Friday campaign. So y'all get out there and shop. Okay, we want you to shop, and you will get a discount using my code, and I will leave that in the description box below. And the company we are referring to is STYLEWE. Don't y'all love a good STYLEWE haul? I know that I do. So I have 6 items from STYLEWE, and y'all know how I shop. I shop it outfits. Okay, so all of these outfits are going to be interchangeable. I won't show you them now. I will show you the pieces, but after this video is done, I will show you all of the outfits that I created and link the items below as well as on my LTK. So without further ado, I've been waiting to get to do this video, y'all, because I've been waiting on my stuff to come in the mail, y'all, and it finally came in the mail. So shout out to STYLEWE for sending me these items. So if you're not familiar with STYLEWE, STYLEWE is an online store where you can shop for women's clothing, be it for work, be it for an elegant event, really, be it for casual event, whatever it is, they have something for you. They have regular sizes all the way up to plus sizes, and baby, nobody is left out when you go to STYLEWE. So definitely check out the link below so that you can stop shopping. So definitely check out the link below so that you can shop STYLEWE just like me. Y'all, those are bars. STYLEWE just like me, bars. Okay, anywho, I know y'all want to see the items that I got, so I can't wait to show y'all because I've been waiting to show y'all these outfits. Okay, so all the outfits are interchangeable, and I can definitely match them with each other. All right, the first piece that I'm going to show you is and I'm going to read the description. This is the Urban 3D Printing shirt, collar shirt. It's in white. I got it in the size medium. And like I said, everything is still in the bag. I did peek at some stuff. I haven't tried anything on though, so, but I know my size with STYLEWE, so we're cool. So here's what the shirt looks like. It is just a white button down, and it has all of these little gemstones on it. Okay, they're not real gemstones. It's not like they are connected to the shirt. They are actually just kind of like a screen print. It has some here on the lapel, on the collar, and then you have the shirt. Just a cute little button down, right? Okay, loved this. Love this button down. And I've been seeing some jeans on my timeline that are actually, that have the actual rhinestones on it. I think this may be cute with that, but I don't have that. Okay, the next item that I have to actually go with this item, because I actually got this shirt because I wanted to pair it with, is the casual plain denim bib pants. And y'all, I love these. Okay, I'm sorry y'all. Here we go. Here we go, y'all. I'm bringing it back. If it ever left, I'm bringing it back. So y'all, I have a pair of blue denim overalls. They're calling them bib pants, but okay, it's overalls. Y'all know what, I'm from the old school. We call them overalls. I got these in a size medium. I love the wash on these. Here we go, the overall shots. But I just thought this would be really cute to pair with these denim overalls and put on a cute little boot. I would go for more so a colored boot with this, and I could pick any color. I could pick green, I can pick red, I could go for a purple boot. I could do whatever I want to do because I have so many colors to play with. So this is the outfit combination, and you're gonna see this combination after the video. So you have to stay tuned if you want to see how I style the outfits. I'm gonna keep y'all engaged, okay? All right, so here's the first one. I got the shirt and I have the overalls. All right, okay. The next item that I got in this video, the next item that I got from STYLEWE is a cozy little sweater dress. Now baby, we cannot go through the winter without having a sweater dress, and if you don't have a sweater dress in your closet, get at least one, okay? Just get one. So this is the Urban Cozy Button Shawl Collar Sweater Midi dress, okay? And I got it in this yellow color. It comes in a tan and also black, but y'all know I had to go bright or go home, okay? I love this. It has pockets, ladies. A sweater dress with pockets. Y'all better go to STYLEWE. Y'all playing around. Okay. Here's the collar, which is why it says it has like a shawl neck, because you can actually, like, you know, give it a little flip to do. You don't have to, but you can, or you can wear it with the collar popped, whatever you want to do. It feels nice. It's so soft. The material is really, really soft, and it has a little bit of stretch to it. You can definitely add a belt if you wanted to, a cute little boot. Y'all gonna see. I already know how I'm gonna style this, y'all. It's been up here, okay, since I've been looking at the picture, y'all. But just know it's cute, right? Cute little boot, nice little. It's just cute. All right. This is a sweater dress, and if y'all don't have y'all no sweater dress, I'm telling y'all right now, go to STYLEWE and get you one. Okay, the next piece I'm going to show you is the buckle detail straight leg denim. Now, these jeans right here, y'all know I'm a denim girl. I love denim, and if y'all can see all the denim that I have over here, y'all would be like, yeah, you got a problem. But anyway, here is the jeans, y'all. Like, again, I said these is the buckled detail straight leg jeans. Okay, look at these jeans. Look at y'all see that? Y'all see that? They do not open. You cannot you can't like open the buttons because it has like this little thing right here. But it's just the detail. It's in the details for me. It is a denim wide leg pant. You know we love a good wide leg. There is a little bit of stretch, so I can tell that it does have some type of elastane in them. Yep, 5% spandex, 20% cotton, and 69% nylon. So ain't no polyester over here, okay? STYLEWE ain't playing with y'all. They got the nylon, they got the cotton, and they got the spandex, okay? Here we go. It is a button fly, so if you like button flies, then this is your jam. But I feel like the button fly goes with this type of jean, because look, you got the buttons all the way down, right? Love, love, love this. I feel like this could be styled with so many things. It's just gonna be a nice little detail jean. And if you like me, you love a good statement jean. And I'm so happy that I picked these up. They were able to send them to me, and I just know they're gonna fit cute. I could just feel it in my shanana that they're gonna fit really cute, okay? And then the item that I got to go with those jeans, whew, is cute, y'all. Y'all know that volume is trending right now, and so this little top, it's giving all the things volume. This is the casual plain ruched crew neck blouse. Okay, it is a long sleeve blouse, and this is really cute peplum. It's like, it's not a bubble. Okay, I'm gonna have to iron this, which is why I say you're gonna see the outfits later, because I'm gonna iron this so it can be styled to perfection. Okay, I'm gonna iron this baby. Okay, so look at this, y'all. Look at this little peplum long sleeve top. There is a like closure in the back, so that is how you would get in there. But oh, y'all, look at this color. It's gonna be so good on the body. I'll post the pictures of these items as well as I'm describing them, but this gonna fit so good in so cute with a nice little boot over with that statement jean and the ruffles and the... Do y'all see what I be seeing when I be going on these websites and I be like, okay, I want this to go with this. This is why I shop the way I shop, because it's just, you can't just pick out random pieces that don't go with nothing. This could definitely go with something also in my closet, but it also goes with what I got in that particular haul. Like it goes with what I picked out, right? I love that for me. I love doing that. Y'all, my last and sixth item. Has there been 6 items already? Of the shirt, the jeans, the dress, the overalls, the button down. And I tried to get a lot of different things so y'all can see the STYLEWE has a multiple amount of different things. Like they have blouses, they have button downs, they have sweater dresses, they have jeans, they have overalls. But y'all, peep this. Peep this, y'all. They got this. Okay, y'all know it's red because I know y'all seen a little snippet. But this is the Urban Lapel collar faux leather coat. And yes, STYLEWE has coats. They even got a coat for you. Okay? Ooh, they got a coat for y'all. It's so... I'm just going to show y'all. I'm going to show y'all. Look at this coat. Look at this coat, honey. Get into the details of this coat, honey. Look at that. So cute. Y'all look. I'm just showing y'all the buttons right now. Just one arm, buttery soft. When I say buttery soft, it's soft. Look at that. Y'all want to get into it? Get into it. Get into the shell of it all. Like this faux leather is just so soft. Oh, I'm just gonna hang it up and just let the little wrinkles fall out, because y'all, it's so good. This is 50% PU and it's 50% polyester, but I'm sure this lining is all polyester. Okay, they had to do it, but that's okay. That's okay. We gonna wear it over here because it's so, y'all. Ooh, when I say buttery soft, I gotta put it on. I gotta put it on, y'all. Okay, look at y'all. Look. Good Papa collar moments. Good Papa collar moment. Here we go. Y'all see that? Oh, look at that. I can't wait to show y'all. I'm going to style this coat. And see, look. If I just wanted to wear by itself with no shirt under it, or like just a little turtleneck situation, I can do that. I can do that. Because why? It's cute. It's cute. This red... The reason I picked red, it was because I don't have a red coat. That's one. And then I feel like Christmas is coming. Perfect for Christmas, right? It pairs so good with this green. It pairs so good with this yellow. It also pairs really good with this button down, because why? It has like the yellow diamonds in it, or the yellow little rhinestones in the red little rhinestones in it. Do y'all see the vision? Can y'all vision this with me? Are we here together? All right, I just wanted to know we were here together. Whew. Okay, y'all. I digress. So those were all of the 6 pieces that I got from STYLEWE. Check out my LTK for the links to all of these items, baby, because they're there. Okay, they're there, and they will also be down in the description. Well, I'm just gonna link them on my LTK, okay, so that y'all can go over there and click them links. All right. Also, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are liking, commenting, and subscribed to this channel, because we have a funky good time over here, okay, with all of the good fashions. I have so many things coming up for you guys as far as fashion is concerned. We're styling our closet over here, okay? So definitely click the like button, y'all. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, follow me on LTK, Instagram, and thank you, STYLEWE. Thank you, STYLEWE, for sending me these 6 amazing pieces that the girls are just gonna love. I know y'all gonna love them. And I want you guys to stay tuned for the outfits. All right, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.